So if I take a look at the pieces that I've got, again, I've got the middle piece here, and I've got those two pieces, and they are identical. Now, once again, I need to ensure that I've got enough for the width of this piece and the width of that piece. Right? I've got a gap here, which is good, but I also need to make sure that both of those edges are clean after the fact. So in this case, I'm going to draw a line right between them. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Quite simply, I've got a piece over here and I've got a piece over there. I'm going to cut this long piece out. I want to cut that long piece out. And when I do that, I'm just going to go ahead and cut this down the center. Because it's such a wide gap, I don't need a line. I'll just kind of eyeball it, and then I'll be able to joint the edges. So let's move over to the bandsaw. So with the bandsaw, you can see that I'm set up. I've got a small gap between the underside of my guide and my workpiece. I'm going to rip these here, and then we'll move on to the jointer. So I've got 3 cuts to make, and they're all kind of straightforward and simple cuts. So I'm here at the jointer. Just so we're on the same page, I'm going to make sure that I joint the outside edge, not the edge that was cut on the bandsaw, only because I think that that edge might be okay. So I'm set up to rip here. I've got blade height set above my stock. I'm going to adjust the fence for 3.5 inches. Right. Less than 4 inches, so I've got my push stick, and I've got all of my boards set up with the jointed edge to the right, so that I can just take them, put them next to the fence, and cut. Right, so that.